Let's check out the interior exhibit here. Here's the officer that greets us. So I just haven't done the big walk around here, so you're going to do it with me. I don't think there's anybody in here but me. It's a weekday. This is the Southern Museum of Aviation here in Montgomery, Alabama. And a lot of amazing planes. So let's just do a walk around. I'll just read some of the signs. This is a PT-19 Cornell primary trainer. I know a little bit about aviation, but I'll have to read the signs. So really well done, eh? Like with all the models. This is obviously the Tuscany Airman here image. Let's just have a look here. This is a PT-13 basic trainer. The AT-6 Texan advanced trainer. And let's have a look. This is the beast here. This is a Russian like attack helicopter. But we'll walk around, have a look at that. Do this in order. Look at this thing. This looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Look at this beauty here, eh? Okay, this is an Mi-4 Hind D. 200 miles an hour. But look at this. Look at the front of this thing. I mean, is that like scary as shit or what? It's like a big kind of monster insect. Look at the wingspan on it. We'll keep walking around here. Some kind of an aircraft gun. But let's go this way. So this looks like the front section of a. Is that a Mitchell bomber? There's no sign on it. I think that's a Mitchell bomber. And we'll keep walking around here. See what we can find. This is like a spotter plane. Jeep. Some engines. Yeah, that's a Mitchell bomber there. We've got another yellow one up there. The Lake Mitchell B-25. Oh wow! Dug this one up bottom of a lake. Look at that picture. Anyhow. Won't dwell too much on everything, so this video isn't too long. But what's this one here? General Electric J47. Looks very sort of Korean War-ish. Betty on the side. But I mean, it's just the attention to detail here in these exhibits is really impressive. For me, anyways, I love all this stuff. Look at this, eh? And it was $5 to come in here. There we go. So this is an M15 Russian fighter plane from probably the Korean War. And we'll just keep walking around. This looks a bit too technical stuff for me. What's this? Artifacts from the Vietnam War. A national liberation flag. Oh, here's an actual North Vietnam enemy combatant. So this is a Hughes helicopter. It's called the Hughes KU Sloach. Let's have a look at it. Like that, some serious teeth on this thing. But I am the only person in here. Oh, there's sound effects. Bell AH-1 Cobra. Pretty cool. 1960s, Cuba and the Bay of Pigs. I was just in Cuba, not at the Bay of Pigs, but not that far from where the U-2 spy plane was shot down. Maps have changed the world. That looks a bit too complicated. For me anyways. So this is where I am right now. It's called the Southern Museum of Flight. And another look at that Russian helicopter. I hope I'm not going too fast and doing this in a dizzying way, but it looks now like I'm in the civil aviation area. Don't know what all these planes are. Pretty cool, eh? It's also cool how they packed so many planes in here. There's a bunch of engines over here. Don't really interest me all that much. And we'll just have a look here. But isn't this cool? There's a glider up there. And then outside, there's more planes. But this is pretty pretty neat. So if you're in southern United States and you love vintage aircraft, this is the place to come. And it's full of all these cool gems. So it's right near the airport here in Montgomery, Alabama. There you go.